Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for May 23rd, 2018. Let's take a look at today's markets. While we started the day lower, we're actually trading lower most of the day until the Fed minutes came out, and then we saw a nice, strong, bullish reversal. The Fed minutes showed a willingness for the Fed, that is, a willingness for them to let inflation temporarily run above its inflation target. That was the wording. Now, they do fully expect to raise rates in June, though, so fasten your seatbelts for that one. But that I think is pretty much a given and priced into the market. Regardless, we saw a nice bounce. The Dow finished higher by 52 points after being much lower earlier in the session. The S&P 500 was up almost 9 points. The Nasdaq gained 47, and you can see came all the way back down to that upsloping 20 before bouncing and closing above yesterday's high. That was a beautiful move. Nice bullish engulfing pattern there. And the Russell gained another 2 points. Bonds also showed strength today. That caused the yield in the 10-year Treasury note to drop below 3% for the first time in a while. It finished today at 2.99. Gold managed to squeak out a slight gain, up about 70 cents or so at the close, despite strength in the US dollar. And crude finished slightly lower today after a surge in US crude supplies. Now, another story, GE. If you thought things couldn't get worse, well, think again. They just did, unfortunately. The CEO spoke today and, among other things, announced a 50% cut of the dividend, and that's never a good thing for a stock. It was trying to recover here, but today had its worst day in 9 years, believe it or not, down over 7% today. Looking at this, near-term target, these lows down at 1273 look pretty much like a given, but if we look at the weekly chart, look at that. Look at that downward slope, bearish engulfing pattern. Any trade below this week's low, not only do we go to 1273, I think we have the real potential to get back down to 5, if not lower on GE. Unfortunately, there's nothing holding this up. I mean, really, there's some minor support at 1273, but really not a whole lot there. And you can see there is significant downward momentum across the board on all time frames here. So, not a good look for GE, unfortunately. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.